Hey my gators, come along as I clean out this grate. I found out that I used to watch videos and I would wonder why people were cleaning something so vigorously or why they were cleaning something that through the camera looked clean until I realized the things that we neglect. This is my grate in my sink. I'm so embarrassed. And I realized this maybe a couple months ago. So now what I've been doing is trying to do it at least once or twice a week. This thing gets so much buildup from the dishwater and the food and the things that you put in it that you really neglect it and forget unless you flip it over. And when I flipped it over, this is what it looks like. I have this bamboo toothbrush. These are the toothbrushes we brush our teeth with as well, and I get a box of them. And so after we use it and it's past the time, I sterilize it and then I use it to clean with because it gets into the nooks and crannies really well. So this, and guess what else, guys? And I just cleaned that before I cleaned this, and I wanted to do a video and I forgot. The ice maker and the water dispenser on your refrigerator. Have you ever bent down and looked underneath there and seen any black mold, just hard water stains and just filthiness? I remember I seen that, what was it, like a year ago, and I was like, oh my gosh. I never thought to look under there and clean it because I'm like, oh, it's a new refrigerator, blah, blah, blah. But I remember my old refrigerator did the same thing, but these are the things that we neglect. Out of sight, out of mind. If you don't see it, a lot of times you're not paying attention to it. The same thing with my air filter. Out of sight, out of mind. But I had to think, okay, these are things that I have to put on a calendar to remember to check them. So I changed my filter today. I cleaned the water dispenser today, and then I cleaned this. So I hope you just enjoy. I'm just going to continue cleaning and showing you all the nastiness and filthiness and me just getting it nice and clean and also cleaning out the sink. So if you have things like this in your home that you forget or you neglect, talk to me in the comments. Doesn't it make you feel so amazing? Like, oh, now I feel like everything is complete when you just get these little things that you really don't see or don't pay attention to, but they're there, regardless of if you see them or not. Enjoy the video. I'm going to play some cool, calm, relaxing music, and I will talk to you in the comments. Later, gators.
my shades and hit the streets. No plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streets we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on these walls, while laughter echoes through the halls. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.